What's up guys, this is a quick video on the Apple MagSafe charger. So right guys, I've actually bought this from Amazon and I paid £32 for it. And what I'll do is I'll leave a link in the description below just in case if you need any more information or if you want to actually buy one. So right guys, this is what it looks like in the box. It's just a tiny little box. It just says MagSafe charger. It's got the Apple sign at the top. And this is what it looks like on the back. It connects via a USB-C, and for faster charging you need a 20 watt block for it as well. There's nothing else with it. To open it you just rip this tab across. Or just slide it out. So we've got some instructions and stuff. Safety and handling, regulations, warranty. That's all the paperwork. Designed by Apple in California. And you just open it up. So you've got the wire there and you've got the charger there. So you don't get no charging block with it. You've got to use your old one. But like it said, if you want faster charging, you will have to get the 20 watt block for it, which I'm going to do myself. So I'm just going to get this out. So this is what the charger looks like. It's got a little bit of weight to it. The back of it's just aluminium. The center feels like a plastic, and it must have the magnetic ring around it as well. So the cable itself is not very long. So right, that's all that it is to it really. So I've got my phone here, and to the back of it, it just connects up like that. It is pretty strong actually, I'm not gonna lie. So it is a two-handed job like everybody's saying. You can't just put it on and leave it on charge and then pick it up and walk away with it. You can't do that. So yeah, you have to use two hands basically to pull it off. It's not going to be as simple as put it on charge and then pick your phone up and walk off. You have to physically pull it off. But I think they've done that for a reason, and I think what Apple's deciding to do is they're going to get rid of their charging port at the bottom eventually. They're going to get rid of that. Like they got rid of the headphone ports, they're going to get rid of this. So they're getting people used to the wireless charging on the MagSafe. So simply it'll just connect up every time and it'll go on to charge. So they've done that on purpose, I think, so you're guaranteed you're going to get a charge every time, because people are going to have their pads and then if it's not magnetic they're going to put it on top and it's not going to charge and the batteries are going to be flat. So this is how they've made it, so it's guaranteed 100% it's going to slot on and your battery will be charged for you. So I think that's the reason why they're going this way. It's just to get rid of the lightning port at the bottom. So right guys, this is what it looks like. In my opinion, I think it's alright. It is, like I said, it is strong. It doesn't physically just come off. I don't know if it's because of the Apple MagSafe case I've got. It's got a bit of a stronger magnet. but I will try it without the case on. So right, this is without the case on, and it does stick on. It is pretty strong. But I feel like it is stronger with the case on it as well. I prefer to have it with the case, just in case. If it does scratch your phone a little bit, it's best to have a case on it, I think. It recognises the case is MagSafe as well. And then as soon as you slot this on, it will come up with a sign and start charging. I've just not got my power block with me at the moment. Like I said guys, I think it's alright, and I think that's the future really. We're not going to have a choice. Eventually, like I said, Apple will get rid of the lightning port at the bottom. So right guys, I hope this helps somebody out who's thinking about buying one. And thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.